without a bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Past the oil drums, round the wire fencing. Hoo-hoo, I am in top gear form today. Whee! And now, the mighty Diggs turns to tip his gravel, his trusty dumper, by his Scooch? Scooch!
Excuse me, something. Oh, excuse me, Bugs. Oh, there are so many things to drive around today.
I know, it's just like an obstacle race.
Take no notice of Mr. Show-Ass Chassis, Scooch. He's never even done an obstacle race.
Maybe I haven't, but if I had, I would have won it.
How?
Because I'm the fastest truck on the site, ha-ha!
Prove it.
Okay, let the race commence. Nothing can stop me now.
Hadn't we better check it's all right with Boza first?
Okay.
So, you want to have an obstacle race, eh?
It's just that Diggs thinks he's the fastest truck on the site.
Well, an obstacle race can be a good test of manoeuvring skills. All right, you can have one. But only if you finished your jobs.
Thanks, Boza.
Vroom!
And I'll choose the obstacles. I don't want any arguing. All right, Scooch?
Oh, yes, a room.
Well, if you're as quick and efficient at the obstacle race as you were doing your jobs, then you'll all do very well. Your first obstacle, the gravel pile. Drive up one side and down the other.
Oh, it looks really steep.
Obstacle number 2, the seesaw.
It looks really tippy.
And finally, the bendy pipe.
Oh, what do we do with that, Boza?
Drive through, and it's a quick race to the finish.
It looks really bendy.
Good luck, and may the best truck win.
Vroom, vroom! I'm going to win. I'm the fastest truck on the site.
Best of luck, Diggs. Good luck, Carrie.
Well, it's not long until the start of the race, and the forklift has to be the favorite. Wouldn't you say, lad?
Well, the little scooper's looking on good form. But as I always say, a good race can often come down to tire selection.
Oh, wait a minute more here. Wasn't this supposed to be a 3-horsepower race?
You're right, old friend. Where's the little dumper?
Scooch, what are you doing parking yourself round here? Aren't you supposed to be at the starting line?
Oh, I'm too frightened, Maxine. I'm not as powerful as Diggs.
You don't just need horsepower to win obstacle races.
You don't?
No. You also need to use the stuff behind your headlights.
Oh.
Go slowly, think things through, and you'll have a good chance of winning.
I will?
Of course. Get your axle over there and I'll see you at the finish line.
Oh, thanks, Maxine.
Trucks, start your engines!
Wait for me.
Ready, steady, go!
The hoot is gone, the race is on, the trucks are underway. The starting line you've left behind, so who will win the day?
And It's carry. First to the gravel pile.
My wheels are spinning!
Ah, here I come! Ha ha! Diggs takes the lead! Oh no! My wheels are spinning too!
Go slowly. Think things through.
If going fast is making their wheels spin, then, maybe going slowly will get me over the top.
Every truck will need some luck to reach the winning line. You might be strong, but you think on, then things will work out fine.
Think it through.
I'm on your tail, Diggs!
Ha ha ha!
Yeah!
Here I go! Woohoo! Oh, it's not tipping.
Let me have a go!
Oh.
Oh, it must be broken! We need something to make us heavier!
Quick!
Thanks, Bonky. I don't need you anymore.
You've got to think about it. If you ever want to win,
Here I go!
you gotta
this time.
think about it. When your wheels are in a spin, you gotta think about it. If you wanna have your dream, 'cause the race is fixed by all those tricks. Things aren't what they seem.
Get a move on, Diggs!
My scrap's falling out.
Look out! Oh,
We're stuck.
Scooch is the winner!
Scooch, well done.
Well done, Scooch.
See, Scooch? It's that stuff behind your headlights.
Oh, it beats horsepower any day.
But where are Diggs and carry?
Now we're stuck, and it's all your fault.
It was your fault trying to overtake.
It was your fault, and no returns.
You can't do no returns in a pipe.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.